Hi everybody, what's up? This is Ant Dog coming to you live from wherever I am, and I'm going to teach you how to unbrick a Samsung Core Prime from Metro PCS. So first thing you want to do is you want to grab the right files. So you're going to go on your browser and you're going to search for a file called or firmware for the what is this where is it? Ah, yeah, here it is. You're going to search for firmware. It's an sm-g360t1. Once you find that, you download it. It'll be in a download zip. It's a zip file like this. Oops, sorry. There we go. That's a zip file. You unpack the zip file. If you don't know how to unpack a zip file, then you have no business rooting. I don't care. Anyway, so this is unpacking the zip file now. And as this is doing this, I've also already opened up Odin. This is Odin 3.10.7. It should work. Also, make sure that you turn off your all your antivirus and your Windows Defender and your firewall. You can do this offline, so don't worry about it. Like, this is offline right now. As you can see, there's no thing. But yeah, turn off your firewall completely, as well as your Windows Defender and your antivirus, or this will not work, because this is malware, like for real. All right, once you do that, you go to your phone. After you get everything set up, you go to your phone. You turn it on by holding the volume down button and the power button and the home button all at the same time. It'll give you a menu that asks you if you want to go into download mode. You press volume up for yes. It makes your phone like this, download mode. Once you have it in download mode, this should read something. It should be like blue and something, Yeah, that means it's reading it. If not, then you need to install the drivers as well. Yeah, rooting is a pain in the butt, and so is restoring. I know, don't trip. It's life. Okay, so we're almost done. What this is doing is unpacking the zip file, the firmware, and this will unpack it into a file called a tar file. Okay. If you don't know what a tar file is, it's just your firmware. It's like your phone. It's all of your software in your phone. It's like all of the apps, all of the everything, your service, all of it. Or not your service, but it's your phone. It's the app. Yeah, it's the phone. It's your basic build, the OS. Okay, so here we have our tar file. So we're going to close this. We're going to go back to Odin. We're going to open it up in AP, okay? I believe it's AP. I put it in the desktop. Scrolling down. Here we are. And there's our tar file. Please wait. Checking MDM5. Okay, cool. Sometimes it freezes right here, especially if you're loading a recovery or something. If you're putting a custom recovery on your phone or device, that's one thing. It doesn't take this long. But to add a firmware, that takes a bit longer, because I don't know, I guess it has to process it or copy it to the program or something. I don't know. But that's why this says up here not responding. Don't worry about it. It totally is responding. It's just that it acts like it's not for some reason. I don't know why. It's like every Odin I've ever seen does this. You could also use a program called Hamdal if you're having a really hard time pushing it through, but you need different types of files for that. It's like a pit file or something. Oh yeah, this takes forever. I should make it like less time than this. Like seriously. Loading sucks. Whoever invented loading should be shot in the face. Like, I mean, it should be like instantaneous, like always. Okay, so woo! I like the little circle. It's kind of cool. I guess while it's doing that, oh well, okay, there we go. Yeah, no, there's nothing else to do. Okay, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Wow, it's been like a minute already. Jeez, loading sucks. Where'd it go? What the hell is that? Huh. There we go. Alright. Now we're loaded. I'm gonna go into options. Never, ever, 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 ever check repartition. All bad. I'm gonna turn off auto reboot because if you put on auto reboot, sometimes it reboots too fast, and yeah, it doesn't do shit. So, all right, here we go. I didn't say that. Okay, so here we go. And there goes all the little stuff that's going through. Let's see here. It's reading everything. Little bars coming up. And as you can see on the phone, oh wow, this is going to take forever. But you see that little bar that's going like that? Like it's just kind of getting bigger. I know it's like really slow. And so it's like microscopic, but it's there. There's the system. Like, I don't even know how I bricked this thing, to be honest with you. I put in clockwork mod. No, I mean touch warp, and then I tried to root by giving it the SU upgrade, or the super user upgrade zip through touch warp, and it just bricked, like spontaneously just bricked, got into a boot loop. I don't know what the hell happened. It's the craziest thing ever. But yeah, this is how you fix Galaxy Core. Yeah. Okay. Later, guys.